Hello, I'm Alex, and we from Tattu going to show you the latest updates of our product. We just received the first mass production samples in here, so these types will be available with the next shipment. These are our 12S Tattu Plus batteries. We are going to unbox these batteries for you to show you what has changed and what has been different to the other previous models. These two are just the examples. It's also available in different capacities. Basically all models are 12S of these big packs. So I think we're going to start with the 16,000 at first. So what we have in here is first of all some cables. Second, the manual, which is very important. And then the battery pack with a very nice grippy handle. So this is a 16,000 12S Tattu Plus 1.0, 710 watt-hours, in total 44.4 volts. We have a new structure of the indicators in here. This is the first thing you can see. Also a little bit changed structure from the outside with some cooling ribs for the storage mode. And these indicators show on one side the capacity, on the other side the status of the battery, state of health, the performance if anything is going wrong. From the connection points, as you can see in here, the battery pack is rather slim and a little bit wider to get it close to the center of gravity. The first thing that second thing that we see that's definitely new is a way of connecting it. So it's no open cables anymore like previously. So it's a complete connection system with a new design plug. So we have the new design plugging system, which cannot be inverted, and it's short circuit protected, as well as we have the data connection, the I2C communication ports inside this connector, so data can be easily read out. The protection cap to keep it away from water. The charging wires are also in here. So we have the balance wire must be added separately. So we have the balance port in here, also very good protected. So the balance port will be clicked in here. The main things are the features. So the safety features of this battery pack has definitely improved a lot. So the battery management system takes care about almost every status on the charging side. On the discharging side, it communicates the data, but it's not interfering at all. The second one, which we have, is a little bit bigger. Same, we have the cables in here. We have the manual down there. And we have the battery, which is really good packed to protect it from any damage during the transportation. So it's all inside foam. This foam is... Sorry, I need to fight a little bit. So, and here we have the big brother. This is a 22,000 milliamp cell with 976 watt-hours, 44 volt, 12 cell. Version 1 as well, Tattu Plus version 1. The construction is roughly the same, so we have the plastic casing with metal parts on the side and a very thick rubber on the sides, which is soft to absorb shocks. The BMS system on the top, the new cable connection with the new connector, as well as a handle and the complete closed water protection or wetness protection closings for the balancing port in here. So I think this is a pretty good update. So from size, in terms of size, the cells got more compact, but safety, like the rubber feet or also the plastic case on the top, takes a certain value of the space, but it makes the battery definitely more safe and better protected against any kind of falling and shocks or hits from the side. The alloy plates on the sides are also completely protection, and this is also new compared to the older models. Yeah, that's basically it. Thank you for your attention.